Cybersecurity in 2025 is an exciting and rapidly evolving field. We're witnessing significant advancements such as the integration of AI in cybersecurity, the emergence of quantum computing threats, and increased automation. These changes are not just challenges, they create new opportunities for professionals in the field. To thrive in cybersecurity jobs in 2025, certain skills will be essential. Skills like ethical hacking, threat analysis, cloud security, and blockchain security will be in high demand. Certifications such as CEH, CISSP, or CompTIA Security Plus will also be valuable assets for job seekers. As we look at the top cybersecurity roles in 2025, we can expect to see job titles like security analyst, ethical hacker, SOC analyst, and cybersecurity engineer. These positions not only offer competitive salaries, but also promising career growth opportunities. One of the key reasons to consider a career in cybersecurity is the rising demand driven by increased cyber attacks and ongoing digital transformation. This field provides stability and high earning potential, making it a secure career path. If you're interested in starting a cybersecurity career in 2025, there's a clear roadmap to follow. Begin with the right education, utilize online resources, and seek out internships to gain practical experience. Whether you're a student or looking to switch careers, there's a place for you in this dynamic field. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges that lie ahead. Issues like ransomware attacks, IoT vulnerabilities, and cloud breaches will continue to pose threats. Preparing for these challenges will be crucial for professionals in the cybersecurity landscape.